everybody? Mini Bike Coalition here. I'm gonna do a quick head gasket. Our motor here, you can see right in there. You can see where the gasket kind of blew out. Last time I started it out in Albuquerque, I seen the smoke come out when I first started it, and I was like, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the gasket on that. I'll have a couple pictures and a few videos. What I'm gonna do is go ahead and remove the valve cover, 8mm bolts, and then you're gonna go ahead and remove the head bolts here. There's 2 here and 2 inside of the valve cover. You're gonna remove them bad boys, and then we're gonna get everything out and clean everything up real good. And I'll have some picture and video of that, so stay tuned. Ghost motor. I'm gonna go ahead and remove this screw here. Then I'll get my my rockers out of the way, and then you can see, bam, there's my other 2 head bolts. We'll pull those bad boys, these bad boys, and we'll get the head off. Also, we get the 12mm. We're gonna pull the head bolts. I'm gonna finish pulling this bad boy off here, and then we'll remove the head, and you guys will get to see that. All right, guys, well, I got it off, and boy, this thing is nasty, y'all. You can see where I was blowing out. I believe this bolt here was a little looser than it should have been. So we're going to go ahead and clean everything up, pull the valves, lap them. And we're going to clean this bad boy up a little bit. So we got everything cleaned up. You know, for the most part, we got stripped up. I'm going to give it a good wipe down again. And then we're going to get my little torque wrench out I got over here. We're going to get our new gasket in. Got that fire gasket from Go Power Sports, y'all. Make sure you go to gopowersports.com for all your mini bike motor and mini bike needs, or go-kart, you know. So we're going to get all that wrapped up and get this thing back together and running. Woo! Now we got the head back on. 17 foot-pounds of torque, or if you have a small torque wrench and you're doing an inch-pounds, 204 inch-pounds of torque. To get the head back on, we're going to go ahead and reassemble the rockers and get the valve cover back on. Got the rocker arm assembly all put back together. Set my valve lash, valve cover back on. Went ahead and bolted on a carburetor that I had laying around. We'll get a pull start on there and throw it on the stand in a little while. Make sure the oil's fresh changed on it. I ran it out in Albuquerque, and I didn't adjust the carburetor at all when I took it out there. And yeah, man, so if y'all don't know, there's about 4,500 feet difference in elevation. So it kind of fouled everything up. So everything's nice, clean, new gasket, head gasket on there, torque down to spec. So we'll get it fired up and run it. But that's how you get a new head gasket in there.